you guys to swim. All right, cool. So what's up? I finally got to the lake. What's today? Like March what? 8th. It has been raining pretty much consecutively at Clarks Hill. We're in Georgia, right outside of Augusta. Been raining consecutively, I'd say for 3 weeks now. And I just wanted to check it out and like document it. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to try to like compare old pictures and show where the water used to be. So as you can see, there's tables and trash cans very close to the water. That picnic area is underwater. So it literally looks like a swamp right here. Those trees are not usually underwater, which is pretty crazy. So we'll take a look here and then we'll drive around a bunch of different places. So, boom. Clear, you know, that's pretty cool. See the rocks and stuff. It's cold, it's freezing. I really want to jump to the table.
No, please don't. I don't want you to get wet.
No, I got it. You might want to take that though.
Please.
It's flooded, dude. Flooded. That's not supposed to be underwater. This is another picnic area that is totally submerged in water. I mean, this is crazy, man. It's never... Usually we have a problem with the dam across the way draining all the water out because the people on the river want water. So it's like they're always, you know, but this is crazy. I've never seen it this full ever, and I've been coming here since I was born, so this is crazy. Look at that. Look at the grill, dude. You can still grill technically. Trash can still works. This is amazing though. It needed it. It won't be like this during the summer. Wait till we come up here and start camping, and maybe somebody will remember this video. It'll be dried out. Let's go find some new places. This is awesome. I want that stick we got from the mountain. Yeah. I definitely have like old videos and footage of fishing right here. There's probably, I'd say, what, like 4 or 5 foot drop off. You can't even see it, so you literally walk and then just drop probably like 5 or 6 feet. This is funny, dude. Look at the steps over there. Look at the bench. Can you close up on the bench? Dude, this thing is so flooded, man. This is so cool. People are fishing now. I wonder how that is working out for them. I wonder if the fish are actually biting. That's cool, man. Do some comparison. I know it's a cool place to go. Oh, it's a grill. Tell this has been like this for a while. cooler if they're like legit. Little park was legit underwater. That'd be a cool little like video. Using a playground underwater. Oh, you know what's crazy? I just took a picture of my DRZ on the same beach. So that's gonna go cool. Man, I forgot. That's crazy. Next. Let's go. I want to take my shoes off so bad and just walk in. I'll have a towel though. This is amusing, not really, just nature. It's so awesome to me. I think this is a section though. Just took a picture of the DRZ over here. Is it? Yeah. Yeah. You can't even see. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. There's no legit. I don't even know how to describe it, except that picture, but probably a 5 foot, I don't know, wall, wooden wall. You walk out and then it's the wall and it drops down. So for it to be this far up means water level is probably like over 10 feet, which is, hey, this lake is usually drained all the time, man. This is awesome. I just want to walk until I find the drop off. But I probably be sweating by the time I find the drop off. Yeah, we can walk through here. That's fine. You don't have good shoes on beach now. We'll be fine. Just yeah, don't walk right there. Don't walk right there. You're supposed to walk over. Put your nose. Yeah, look at the grass. Look at the grass. This is where the section I took my picture with the DRZ. Wow. This is the one right here. There's a pole right there, but I like. These are my sticks that I burned. They're still there. I tried to make a fire. That was cool, dude. Oh man. That's crazy. You can't even see. Wow. Alright, well we'll try to find some more spots. Yeah, it's not even that bad. Go, yeah. Alright, so that's usually the dock I fish on with my family. Look at it. That's pretty crazy. There's a cove back there, a cove right in front of us there, and a cove right in front of the dock that I go fishing and catch bass all the time. And it is not coves anymore. It's just one big water spot. That's crazy. We're definitely about to. Can't do much. I know there's a that trail, so we might take the trail maybe. Be right in there. Two, check this out. I used to be a porta potty. I'm glad they're taking that down because that stinks really bad all the time. At least we can use this for our trash can. Man. I wonder if the steps washed away. I don't know. Is it steps here or steps down there? Yeah. It's pretty cool, man. Check it out. You are. Nah, this is crazy.
Because usually we walk along there
Yeah.
and then along the sides.
And that wooden rail piece is there's never water under it. The wooden floating dock usually has, what, 3 to 4 feet of water. You can clearly see the bottom. This is crazy, man. Awesome. Crazy awesome is what it is. See a turtle. Close up on the turtle, you see him? He's chilling, bro. He's like, yeah, man, I'm enjoying it. I don't even think the trail is going to be underwater. So we'll probably will not do that. This is crazy though, man. This is awesome. Look at the dock. I was thinking we could at least like jump on the dock or something like that. You might as well swim. You guys will swim. See, man, it's so cool, man. Well, that concludes this video. I've been wanting to do this a whole lot, but what better time to do it after all the rain has stopped and you can see the water level for what it is. It's pretty awesome. Peace.